I take the honor of welcoming each and all of you in this conference, and I thank you very much. As you can see, the spirit of the conference is, which you can find from this logo itself, to take up the best which guides human behavior, rooted in deep philosophical ethos which comes from different belief traditions across the world. I start with the 2 lines of Isha Upanishad, which says that the face of truth is masked by glittering golden goals. You lift that vessel up, O Lord, thus revealing the ethics of truth. And for me, in my own very little knowledge and experience, the ethics of truth is just honesty. Being honest to oneself, being honest to others, being honest to each and every bit of activity that we do. And that's the focus of this conference, which was started in 2007. I think we need to adjust the projector a bit. The greatest spiritual leader of 18th century in India, Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans, who practiced Hinduism, Islam and Christianity and boldly declared that all religions lead to the same end. And that's the reason that the logo for this conference is chosen, representing all the belief traditions, and to get out the best of all. And this conference is a very humble effort to give a platform where we have representation across the globe, across the belief traditions, come forward and talk about how to make this world a better place of living, and for that matter, an organization, an excellent place to work. The vision is to initiate discussions and concrete plan of actions to integrate the ecology of soul with the ecology of organizations. And this integration will lead towards the development of non-exploitative, non-violent and sustainable organizations. What we observe today is this. In the cartoon you can see the person saying, relax. I only said we are morally bankrupt. And this bankruptcy is the worst one. So in the relentless pursuit of egoistic gratification that has led to the current situation of corporate greed and lack of trust among people. If you see the list, it's very recent, starting from 2002 in Ron Tycho, and the most recent one, Global Meltdown, Satyam and Reliance Communication. That itself suggests this is high time that we should stop and think, where are we heading? What type of manuscript do we have? So therefore, in the coming 4 days, we will be discussing how to create a place which is based on righteous decision making and its conscience, and how to integrate the spiritual discipline with the business discipline. Keeping this in mind, 5 conferences are planned. The first in 2007, during February 7 to 10, 2007 was the first conference, which was held in Delhi, North India. And then we come to South India, Pondicherry. It's planned each alternate year, and then we'll be moving towards west and then east. The places being spiritually energized by the enlightened soul are chosen to be assembled for such discussions, and that's how we decided for that. Some highlights from first international conference. We discussed in the first on what spirituality in organizations mean. We discussed the implications of spirituality at work for organizational leadership models. We also focused on the different dimensions of spirituality in organization in order to understand the role of spirituality in renewing the contemporary management praxis.